Every payday, many of us feel that moment of excitement, but somehow the money slips away before we even understand what happened. We work so hard, yet the cycle repeats: earn, spend, stress, repeat. But what if we flipped that story? What if every payday became a chance to build real security, real freedom, and a future we can actually be proud of? Today, we're breaking down the 7 strategic actions wealthy people take the moment their salary drops, and how we can do the same, starting now. Stick with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring, life-changing money content. Payday is supposed to feel like relief, yet for so many of us, it comes with pressure, fear, and a quiet disappointment we rarely talk about. We wait weeks for our salary, but somehow within days the money disappears, swallowed by bills, emergencies, and impulsive spending we didn't even plan for. And deep down, we ask ourselves the same painful questions. Why am I working so hard but still not moving forward? Why does financial peace feel so far away? Why does money control us instead of supporting us? This is the conflict at the heart of our financial lives, the battle between what we earn and what we keep, between the life we want and the habits that are holding us back. Today, we're breaking that cycle. We're revealing the 7 powerful payday actions that turn income into progress and progress into real, lasting wealth. Stay with us. This might change everything. In this video, we journey through the emotional reality of payday, from the excitement of seeing money enter our account to the frustration of watching it vanish too quickly. We'll uncover the 7 strategic actions that transform every paycheck into a tool for stability, growth, and real financial freedom. Together, we'll explore how to pay ourselves first, control our living expenses, invest consistently, eliminate debt, protect our future, close money leaks, and reset our financial direction every month. Each section builds on the last, guiding us step by step toward a life where our income finally works for us, not against us. Action 1. Pay yourself first. This is the moment everything begins to change. Before the world reaches for your money, before rent, bills, and responsibilities swallow your income, we take back control. On payday, the very first thing we do is move 20% of our salary into a high-yield savings account, 10% for emergencies, and 10% for the goals that keep us moving forward. Because here's the truth, nobody is coming to save us financially. If we don't protect our future now, we'll spend years wondering where our money went and why nothing is improving. This simple action turns chaos into clarity. It proves to us that our dreams deserve priority, not leftovers. Action 2. Allocate 50% to living expenses. Here, many of us lose control without even realizing it. This is where our money quietly slips through our fingers. Every payday, we intentionally move 50% of our income into the account we use for daily living expenses: food, transport, bills, utilities, rent, the things that keep our life functioning. We do this because without a clear boundary, spending expands until nothing is left. And that's the painful truth most of us live with. Not because we don't earn enough, but because our money has no structure, no limit, no plan. But today, that changes. When we give our expenses a fixed home, exactly half of our pay, we stop money from wandering everywhere at once. We stop the overspending, we stop the confusion, and we finally gain control. This isn't restriction, it's freedom. The freedom that comes from knowing every naira, every dollar has a purpose. Payday is no longer the day our money leaves, it becomes the day our future grows. Action 3. Invest 15% automatically. Here, we stop surviving and start building. This is where our money begins to work harder than we do. Every payday, we take 15% of our income and move it straight into our investments before we have a chance to talk ourselves out of it, before distractions steal it, before life demands it. Why? Because wealth isn't built by wishing or waiting or hoping. Wealth is built by consistency. It's built by small, steady deposits into our future that continue to grow long after we've forgotten we made them. When we invest automatically into index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, stocks, we're telling ourselves, my future matters, my goals matter. This 15% is the seed that becomes financial freedom, the seed that grows even when we're sleeping, working, resting, or struggling. And one day, this decision will be the reason we rise above every financial limitation we once believed we were stuck in. Action 4. Use 10% to pay down debt. One of the most transformative steps we can take, even though it's the one many of us avoid. Every payday, we commit 10% of our income to paying down debt, not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. Debt is a silent thief. It steals our peace, our progress, our sleep, and our future. Every month it grows a little bigger, taking a little more from us, interest that never stops, balances that feel impossible, payments that drain our energy. But here's the truth most people never hear. The moment we start paying debt consistently, we start buying our freedom back. Every payment is a step out of the stress. Every reduction is a step toward control. Every balance that drops is a weight lifted off our shoulders. Using 10% isn't just about clearing numbers on a statement. It's about ending the cycle that has held us down for years. This is how we take our power back, one paycheck at a time. Action 5. Fund your 5% fun money account. This is the part of your money plan most people skip, and that's exactly why they burn out. After working hard, budgeting, saving, paying bills, and thinking about the future, your mind needs a release valve. That's where your 5% fun money account comes in. This tiny slice of your income is your guilt-free permission to enjoy life now while still building for the future. It's the coffee dates, the small splurges, the impulsive snacks, the weekend outings, the moments that remind you that money isn't just for survival, it's also for living. By intentionally setting aside 5% for fun, you avoid the cycle of over-restrict, stress, binge spending. You experience joy without sabotaging your goals. It's not irresponsibility, it's strategic balance. Action 6. Audit your money leaks. This is where silent sabotage ends. Money leaks are the small, sneaky expenses that drain your income without asking for permission. The daily impulse buys, forgotten subscriptions, overpriced convenience purchases, and emotional spending you don't even notice in the moment. Auditing your money leaks means pulling back the curtain on where your money actually goes, not where you think it goes. It's opening your bank statements, tracking your weekly habits, and exposing the tiny cracks that slowly swallow your financial progress. When you identify these leaks, you reclaim power. Every leak you plug feels like earning a raise without working extra hours. It frees up cash to redirect toward your goals, your dreams, and your peace of mind. This step isn't about shame, it's about awareness, because you can't fix what you don't see, and once you do see it, everything changes. Action 7. Reset your monthly financial plan. This final step is your financial refresh button. Every payday gives you a chance to recalibrate, realign, and reset your entire money system so you stay in control rather than drifting through the month on autopilot. Resetting your monthly financial plan means reviewing your goals, checking your progress, and adjusting your allocations based on what's happening right now. Maybe your expenses changed, your income shifted, or your priorities evolved. This is the moment to realign your plan before the month gets away from you. It's like stepping back to clean the lens you use to view your finances. Once it's clear, you see exactly where you're heading, what needs tightening, and what deserves more attention. This reset keeps you disciplined, focused, and intentional, ensuring your money moves match your goals, not your impulses. Every payday is a new chance to shape your future. Use it. And there we have it, 7 powerful money moves that don't just organize your payday, they transform it into a stepping stone toward the life we've always imagined. If there's one thing we should carry with us, it's this. Wealth isn't built by big breakthroughs. It's built by small, consistent actions that compound over time. Every payday is a chance to rewrite our story, to rise above old habits, and to align our money with the future we deserve. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these steps hit home the most? What money move are you committing to this month? Share your thoughts down in the comments. Your insight might be the spark someone else needs. And if today's message opened your eyes, inspired you, or pushed you to take action, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We have so many more powerful revelations coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. Together, let's build the future we dream about.